Maria Berche, you can come.
Look, you were more excited about my birthday, right?
And I'm like,
I know you see it, but I like it.
Introduction.
Okay, let's move to the most exciting moment of the workshop, apart from the food, of course. So in my case, my job here is to communicate the best paper prize of the workshop in this 13th edition, 2025. And the best paper is, according to the scientific committee, to Julia McGee. Train collapses on retail agglomeration. So, yeah, congratulations, Julia. So this is the certificate, congratulations, and next week you will receive an email just with some information to receive the money. Thank you.
And now it's time for the award of young researchers from the Chair for the Promotion of Film Innovation. This is a prize for works related with innovation, but we also widen the scope to papers that they are related with film performance. So we have taken into account the papers that they were in the first session. And so since Julia has received a prize, well deserved, and it doesn't mean that the rest of the papers, they also deserve, they are excellent, all of you. We have seen excellent papers during the whole workshop. The award goes to Miriam Brejikova. So congratulations. This is a prize from the EcoSource and also the chair. So I don't know if you have taken
yes,
the...
No, not yet. So that
Okay,
you
come.
give me 1 second. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's close this workshop very quick. Just a few words to say thank you to many people that makes possible this amazing event. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Philip McCann. Thank you, Professor, for being here, for your time, and for being as keynote of the 13th edition. This is the 13th edition of the workshop, so it is a consolidated event in the research center, so we are very proud of this activity. Thank you also to the responsibles of the EcoSource Research Center, Professor Arauzo Carot, Professor Vilella. Thank you to all the people that has participated in the workshop, the chairs. Also thank you to Magda and Vero, who are outside pending of all the details of this event. And for sure, thank you to all of you who have decided to come here and to present your research. I wish you good luck in your publications and also good luck in your future career. Thank you so much, and I wish you a safe travel back home.
but I don't want to miss to say the same. We have reached this 13th edition to the workshop, and I would also like to be thanks to everyone who has been that possible. First of all, Professor Philip McCann, which it has been a pleasure to meet him and to have these interesting talks. And I will always remember to take care or consider normal people from you. Thank you very much. The members also of the scientific committee who have done a great job, and in special to the secretaries, Vero, Magda and Eulalia, who are always willing to help. They are amazing. And finally, well, no, first of all, I also would like to thank Merche Teruel and Maria Llop and the Department of Economics for their support to the workshop, which is always adaptable. And finally, to the young researchers participating. You are the protagonists of the workshop. It is a pleasure and wonderful to have all you here around the university. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and I wish you a lot of success in your work. So thank you very much to all of you for being here.